grammar. Let's do some grammar. You know, in the third monthly examination, third monthly test, your syllabus is from Essential English Grammar and Composition, chapter 25, exercise 14 to 20. Chapter 25 exercises 14 to 20. So let's do these transformations. চলো দেখি প্রত্যেকটার আমি প্রথম তিনটে করে দেবো, বাকিগুলো তোমাদের করতে হবে। ফার্স্ট 3 exercise 44, exercise 14 page number 226. Convert the following simple sentences into compound ones. Convert the following simple sentences into compound ones. Taking a serious view of the matter, the police rounded up several miscreants. We know sentences division, simple, complex and compound. Simple means one principal clause plus no other clause, or you can also say as one finite verb. So complex is one principal plus one or more subordinate clause or clauses. And compound means two or more principal clause or clauses. Principal clauses. দুটো তো মিনিমাম থাকবে, two principal clause or more sub principal clauses plus no or one or more subordinate clause or clauses. Okay, subordinate clauses. Clear? যেমন ধরো এটা আমরা যদি বলি, একটা খুব সিম্পল এক্সাম্পল নিলাম, Ram is a good boy. This one is simple because there is only one finite verb. Ram is a boy who is good. Ram is a boy is the principal clause. Who is good is the subordinate adjective clause. So one principal, one subordinate, make it complex. And Ram is a boy and he is good. Look here, Ram is a boy is a principal clause, he is good is another principal clause, and and is the coordinator, so it is compound. এগুলো তোমাদের আগে আরো অনেক ডিটেইলে এক্সপ্লেন করা হয়েছে. It was in the syllabus for many times. Now let us actually come to the exercises. Exercise 14:1. Taking a serious view of the matter, the police rounded up several miscreants. We have to change it to a compound sentence from simple. So means we have to make two principal clauses. And the principal clauses are to be joined with a coordinating conjunction like and or but so. Okay. So the police took a serious view of the matter and rounded up several miscreants. The police took a serious view of the matter and rounded up several miscreants. Then number 2, you must employ additional hands to complete the project on time. You must employ additional hands to complete the project on time. You must employ additional hands or you will not be able to complete the project on time. You must employ additional hands, or you will not be able to complete the project on time. You cannot change the meaning, you cannot change the tense of the verb used. Okay. Rail traffic being seriously disrupted, we decided to go by air. Rail traffic was seriously disrupted, and so we decided to go by air. Rail traffic was seriously disrupted, comma, and so we decided to go by air. Okay. Number 1, 2, 3. আচ্ছা আরো দুটো করে করি, পাঁচটা করে করি. In spite of the full support of his parents, he achieved little in his life. His parents gave him full support. His parents gave him full support, yet he achieved little in life. Yet he achieved little in life. In vain did she pray for her son's recovery. She prayed for her son's recovery, but it was in vain. It was all in vain. She prayed for her son's recovery, comma, but it was all in vain. Okay. The exercise 15, ever ultota from compound to simple. The judge found no concrete evidence against him, he therefore acquitted him. Sentence number 1, 15. Having found no concrete evidence against him, the judge acquitted him. এটা আগে পরে করতে পারো. The judge acquitted him for not finding any concrete evidence against him. But better will be the judge having found no concrete evidence against him, comma, acquitted him. This furnishing material is not only attractively designed but is also reasonably priced. Besides being attractively designed, this furnishing material is also reasonably priced. Simple. Besides being attractively designed, comma, this furnishing material is also reasonably priced. You must exercise restraint in your speech or you might offend people. You must exercise restraint in your speech. In the event of not restraining your speech, in the event of not exercising restraint, in the event of not exercising restraint in your speech, comma, you might offend people. Or you can say, you must exercise restraint in your speech not to offend people. Actually, from compound to simple means one simple sentence means there will be one finite verb only. The other finite verb has to be changed into non-finite verb, and non-finite verb means either infinitive, gerund, or participle. Then Alexander had conquered dozens of countries, yet he was discontented. In spite of conquering dozens of countries, Alexander was discontented. In spite of conquering or having conquered dozens of countries, comma, Alexander was discontented. The spring was late to arrive and the garden was wearing a deserted look. The spring being late to arrive, the garden was wearing a deserted look. The spring being late to arrive, comma, the garden was wearing a deserted look. Then go to exercise 16. Now compound to complex. Complex means one principal, one subordinate. Okay. Praise this, sentence number 1. Praise this call bell and the air hostess will come to your seat. If you praise this call bell, the air hostess will come to your seat. If you praise this call bell, comma, the air hostess will come to your seat. Rahman had a rough exterior, but he had a father's tender heart. Although Rahman had a rough exterior, he had a father's tender heart. Although Rahman had a rough exterior, comma, he had a father's tender heart. You have to get a B.Ed degree or you will not be given a regular job. If you do not have a B.Ed degree, you will not be given a regular job. If you do not have a B.Ed degree, comma, you will not be given a regular job. The saint was above 100 years old and yet his mind was fully alert. Although the saint was above 100 years old, comma, his mind was fully alert. Although the saint was above 100 years old, comma, his mind was fully alert. Either the subsidies should reach the poor people or they should be discontinued. Unless the subsidies reach the poor people, they should be discontinued. Unless the subsidies reach the poor people, they should be discontinued. Or if the subsidies do not reach the poor people, comma, they should be discontinued. Go to 17. From complex to compound. You will feel blessed if you show mercy to others. Compound means two principal clauses. Show mercy to others or you will not feel blessed. Show mercy to others or you will not feel blessed. Same meaning. Okay. He is more a philosopher than a poet. He is a poet. He is a good poet, but he is a better philosopher. He is a poet, but he is a more philosopher. He is a poet, but he is more a philosopher. As soon as I heard a whispering sound from near the door, I switched on the light. I heard a whispering sound from near the door and immediately switched on the light. I heard a whispering sound from near the door and immediately switched on the light. If you keep on promoting the sales like this, you will soon be made the marketing manager. Keep on promoting the sales like this and you will soon be made the marketing manager. Keep on promoting the sales like this, and you will soon be made the marketing manager. I have no doubts that you should not have played such a practical joke on me. You should not have played such a practical jokes on me, and I have no doubts about that. Usually in compound sentence, the second information should come first. You should not have played such a practical joke on me, and I have no doubts about that. Then exercise 18. Transform the following sentence as directed. Now single, do as directed. Asta is one of the brightest students of the class. Use the comparative degree. Again, three things we have to keep in mind. We cannot change the meaning, we cannot change the tense of the verb, and we cannot change the voice of the verb unless we are specifically asked to. Asta is one of the brightest students of the class. Asta is brighter than most other students of the class. Asta is brighter than most other students of the class. How devastating the tsunami proved to be. Assertive sentence. The tsunami proved to be very devastating or extremely devastating. The tsunami proved to be very or extremely devastating. He is too ignorant to offend others. He is too arrogant not to offend others. He is so arrogant that he offends others, or that he is bound to offend others. He is so arrogant, because there is a sense of compulsion. He is so arrogant that he is bound to offend others. Then the distinguished visitor received a warm welcome at the airport. Use the adverb form of warm. The distinguished visitor was welcomed warmly. The distinguished visitor was welcomed. WELCOMED. Welcome থেকে welcome না কিন্তু welcomed. The distinguished visitor was welcomed warmly at the airport. If only his parents had brought him up sensibly. Change into an assertive sentence. I wish his parents had brought him up sensibly. I wish his parents had brought him up sensibly. Then go to 19. Similar type of as directed. As soon as Rohit entered his office, he was summoned by his boss. He was no sooner than. No sooner had Rohit entered his office than he was summoned by his boss. No sooner had Rohit entered his office, than he was summoned by his boss. It is believed that he gave wrong information at the time of the interview. Change into a simple sentence. He is believed to have given wrong information at the time of the interview. A large crowd was in pursuit of the chain snatcher. Use the verb form of pursuit. A large crowd pursued, P-U-R-S-U-E-D, pursued the chain snatcher. Then number 4, go for a morning walk and you will remain active throughout the day. If you go for a morning walk, you will remain active throughout the day. If you go for a morning walk, you will remain active throughout the day. Although it rained all yesterday, the weather is still hot and unpleasant. However, it rained all yesterday. However, the weather is still hot and unpleasant. It rained all yesterday, however, again, the weather is still hot and unpleasant. Exercise 9-10. Transform the following sentence as directed. Even if you are very careful, you are sure to make a mistake sometime or the other. Still, you may be very careful. Still, you are sure to make a mistake sometime or the other. You may be very careful, still, you are sure to make a mistake sometime or the other. As the decision has already been taken, it is no point discussing the issue. Use therefore. The decision has already been taken. The decision has already been taken, therefore again, it is no point discussing the issue. My uncle financially supported me, otherwise I could not have completed my studies. Begin the sentence with but for. But for my uncle's financial support. But for my uncle's financial support, I could not have completed my studies. I could not have completed my studies. Now, apparently, it is a sound proposal. Use the verb form of apparently. Apparently, it is a sound proposal. The proposal appears to be sound. The proposal appears to be sound, or it appears to be a sound proposal. It appears to be a sound proposal. You can join as a stage artist provided your father permits you. Use unless. Unless your father gives you permission, you cannot join as a stage artist. Unless your father gives you permission, you cannot join as a stage artist. So এইগুলো করলাম, বাকিগুলো তোমরা হোমওয়ার্কে করবে from exercise 14 to 20. ওকে, দেন এই তো হয়ে গেল। দেন সেলফ ওয়ার্ড 25 to 36 and phrasal verbs 141 to 180. টেক্সচুয়াল গ্রামার তো হয়ে গেল। কম্পোজিশন, ইনফর্মাল রিপোর্ট অ্যান্ড নিউজ পেপার রিপোর্ট আর সামারি। ঠিক আছে। Informal report. There is a difference between writing an informal report and a newspaper report. Actually, newspaper report is also known as formal report. So, how to write a formal report and how to write an informal report. Formal report, newspaper report, write it. Take down the points how to write a formal report. Number 1, give a title preferably in all log letters within 4 to 5 words. gist of the effect. And mark it with a straight underline. That is the first point. Give a title, preferably in all block letters, within 4 to 5 words, highlighting the gist of the effect and mark it with a straight underline. Say for example, road accident kills 5. Then we write staff reporter at the right side below the title. Then mention place and date of reporting. At the beginning of the report. Use past tense passive voice as far as practicable and make 2 paragraphs. Maintain the objectivity of the language. And economy of voice. So these are the 5 points we must keep in mind before writing a report. What are the things? Formal report. First, you have to give a title, preferably in all block letters. Preferably in all block letters within 4 to 5 words, highlighting the gist of the effect. You know, a report always has 2 sides, cause and effect. We have to use the effect, the gist of the effect and the cause as far as practicable. And then you mark it with a straight underline. As I have written there, for example, road accident kills 5. Normally, this verb is used in the present tense. Road accident kills 5 or 5 killed in road accident. Killed, auxiliary verb dite lage na, 5 are killed bolte hai na. 5 killed in road accident, it automatically means the same thing. সেকেন্ডলি রাইট বাই এ স্টাফ রিপোর্টার, এইগুলো দেবে না, এইগুলো আমি এখানে ইউজ করার জন্য কোটেশন মার্কটা ইউজ করেছি লেখার জন্য সেন্টেন্সে। বাই এ স্টাফ রিপোর্টার অ্যাট দি রাইট সাইড বিলো দ্য টাইটেল, রাইট হাফ অফ দি টাইটেল, মানে এরকম জায়গা থেকে লিখবে আর কি, বাই এ স্টাফ রিপোর্টার লিভিং অনলাইন দ্যাট। Then mention place and date of reporting at the beginning of the report. Place means from where you are making the report, writing the report, and on which day you are writing the report. Then D, use past tense passive voice as far as practicable and make two paragraphs preferably. Last day, maintain the objectivity of the language and economy of words. Objectivity of the language is very important. Objectivity means, you know, language can be divided into two categories, subjectivity and objectivity. Subjectivity means when the language is used in a very roundabout style. Instead of giving direct message, when people speak of something else, that is when the language itself is more important than what the language means, that is called subjectivity. অর্থাৎ এক লাইনে যেটা বলা যায় সেটা অনেকভাবে ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে বলা হয়। আর অবজেক্টিভিটি ঠিক উল্টোটা, খুব প্রিসাইজলি টু দি পয়েন্টে উদ্দেশ্য হচ্ছে জানানো, বুঝতে পেরেছো? লাইক দিস, সে ফর এক্সাম্পল আই টেল ইউ, if I tell you what is your name, subjectivity is that when I was born it was raining, my father wanted to keep my name as Badsha, but my mother argued that I should better be named as Badol. In this way argument counter-arguments went on. My grandfather came, and then my grandfather finally told that my name should be Brishti, and so I have been named as Brishti. This is called subjectivity. Or objectivity ki, my name is Brishti. Okay, that means it must be extremely precise, to the point, common vocabulary, so that to make people know is your purpose, not that you set people think. Okay, so these are the ways of writing. Economy of words means you have to be very precise. You see, একটা খবরের কাগজে একটা এ বা একটা কমাও যদি এক্সট্রা লিখতে হয়, বুঝতে পারছো, একটা 1 লক্ষ খবরের কাগজ প্রিন্ট হয়, তাতে যদি একটা কমা এক্সট্রা দাও, তাহলে বুঝতে পারছো এটা 1 লক্ষ কমা দিতে হবে, হাউ মাচ স্পেস ইজ ওয়েস্টেড. সো whenever we are writing a newspaper report, we must have to be very, very precise. Okay. একটা তো আমরা নিউজপেপার রিপোর্ট লিখেছি, তো পরে আমি আর এখন আলাদা করে তোমাদের লেখাচ্ছি না, একটা আপলোড করে দেবো, একটা দিয়ে দেবো, সেখান থেকে লিখে দেখে নেবে, ক্লিয়ার? আর ইনফর্মাল রিপোর্ট, যেটা ইনফর্মাল রিপোর্ট, সেটা অলমোস্ট সিমিলার টাইপ অফ থিংস। ইনফর্মাল রিপোর্টে শুধু এইটা থাকবে না, এই বাই এ স্টাফ রিপোর্টার এবং মেনশন অফ দি প্লেস অ্যান্ড ডেট, এগুলো থাকবে না, এই দুটো পয়েন্ট থাকবে না ইন ইনফর্মাল রিপোর্ট। মেনশন, প্লেস অ্যান্ড ডেট এটা থাকবে না, নাম্বার 1, নাম্বার 2 এইটা থাকবে না। তার পরিবর্তে কি হবে, আফটার রাইটিং দ্য হোল থিং, at the right hand side you have to write reported by, then below it name, and then class, section, roll number of the student who is reporting. Normally, what is the difference between a newspaper report and an informal report? The newspaper report concerns common people, everyone concerns common people, but the informal report, it does not concern the common people, it concerns a particular sect of people, a particular group of people. Say for example, if there is something which happens in your school, in our school, say the felicitation of a great scientist, or celebration of the Republic Day, something like this, inauguration of a new building, welfare of a retired teacher, welfare program, farewell program of a retired teacher. These are the things which are reported concerning the people associated with the school, maybe the students, the teachers. In that case, this is called informal report. Normally a student writes the report. So after writing the entire thing, at the bottom side you have to write reported by : then name, class, section, roll number, and left hand side of the margin you have to mention the place and date when you are writing. Okay, that is the difference. Thank you, very good.